Well, hey guys, we've made it down here into Georgia. We picked up the 2013 Ford Mustang. The guy, Tommy, he was an excellent guy. He was real cool. He stayed late for us to come down here because we got caught in some traffic. But really nice guy. I want to go ahead and give you a shout out, man. Appreciate you for letting me go through your garage and check out some of your old cool classic cars. And thanks for the extra subscription you gave me, brother. Well, here we have the car. It's loaded up onto the trailer. We're going to go ahead and strap this thing down. I want to get it back to the shop. As soon as that daylight sun comes up, we're going to do a video in the morning. But with YouTube time, let's go ahead and let's go. And there we are. Now it's daylight. We have the car behind us. It's over here by our shop. So now let's go ahead and take a peek and see the damage report. Okay, here it is. Here's the project we're going to be working on. We're going to be building this car back. The radiator is busted. There's no frame damage whatsoever on the car. I've already had all this stuff right here taken off. Everything is straight all along the car. When the car hit, that went over here to this side, it basically just hit underneath the headlight. It did just a little bit of damage here on this bumper support, but really there's no frame damage whatsoever to the car. It's all solid as could be. So really gonna just replace pretty much the front fascia on this, header core, the headlights, fenders. The hood is good, body gap is still good. Going to replace the seat, the seat belt, and the airbag, and the module for that. The car only has just a hair over 90,000 miles, so it's a low mileage car. It also had the State Farm driving app thing on there, so I'm sure they were, you know, easy on the car when they did drive it. Tires are in real good shape. There is a place right here on the back, right there. So I'm probably going to do an all-over paint job on this car, get it back like it was when it was new. There's a place on the door here and a place here. Now this didn't happen from the wreck. The body line is too perfect for that to have happened. So something must have hit this and then somebody opened the door into it. But other than that, this is it. This is going to be the next build. We bought this car off of eBay. We literally just won the bid yesterday. I'm putting the video out today. So, yep, yesterday we won the bid on this car. Went down and picked it up last night. Ended up getting into some traffic on, I think it was 287, down in Georgia past Stone Mountain. But this is it. This is what we're going to be building as soon as we get the car that's in there now finished up. Going to be a fun little project, step by step, tearing it all down and seeing exactly what's underneath all these parts. So yeah, thanks for watching, and keep updated by hitting that subscribe and the bell, and like and comment and share.